Somaliland's defense minister has resigned over deal to give Ethiopia access to the region's coastal line. So to sum it up, Somaliland is part of Somalia that has broke away from the country to become their own independent state. However, international recognition has not given them that pass. So, however, they still have they do their own things. Ethiopia is trying to get water access. They are trapped between Somalia and I think Eritrea, and they don't have access to the sea. And they've been fighting Somalia forever to get access to the sea. So Somaliland, they made a deal with them to have access to the sea, which Somalia sees as a threat. So the defense minister of Somaliland also does not agree in Ethiopia having access to their coastal line. So he resigns because he's not for it, and a lot of protesting have been happening for this deal not to go through because Somalia, so the Somalian president and the people think that this is against. The defense minister says that Ethiopia remains their number one enemy and that this deal should not go through. So it's a lot of chaos going on to not let this happen. Because imagine Ethiopia is going to have access to Somalia's, coastal line, which is part of Somaliland, but, it's still Somalia because international recognition has not made Somaliland a separate state. So this is what's going on in Somalia. I